You want, what do you want, Max?
Please.
Please what? You want this red pop?
Yeah.
Did you eat all your lunch?
Torturing him.
Did you eat all your lunch?
Give me.
Okay, Max. Here's your red pop.
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
Help. Help.
Oh, spit up. You want some help opening your red pop?
Yeah.
Here, let me help you. Let me help you. Okay, red pop. Max ate all his lunch. He was so good. Oh, yum. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it your favorite color?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Red pop. Red pop.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna have a yellow one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Red pop. Red pop.
Red pops are the best, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, you're so funny.
Pink mama.
What? Camera mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, camera mama. This is so delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah. Babies can't have pops, right? Only big boys like
Is that a good pop, Max?
Red pop.
Is it good?
Red pop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Hi, red pop. Mama, red pop.
Yeah, Mama has a yellow pop. That's Mama's pop. Mmm. 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 You want to try Mama's yellow pop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, red pop.
I'll have a bite of your red pop. Thanks for sharing. Okay, here's your red pop back.
Red pop.
Thanks for giving me my yellow pop back. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye, Mama.